Welcome to this Java programming tutorial where we'll be diving into the exciting world of robotics. Today, we're going to implement a robot navigation system. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process. Before we start coding, let's understand what a robot navigation system is. A robot navigation system allows a robot to move through an environment while avoiding obstacles and reaching specific destinations. We'll be creating a simulation of this system using Java. To simulate our robot's navigation, we'll use a grid-based approach where our robot will be able to move to adjacent cells. Let's start by defining our grid environment. Here, we created a grid class that holds the grid dimensions and obstacles. We define methods to add obstacles and check if a given position is an obstacle or valid. Now, let's create our robot class. In the robot class, we manage the robot's position and implement methods to move the robot. It checks for obstacles before making any moves. Now our robot can navigate through the grid. Next, let's implement a simple way to visualize the grid. We've created a grid visualizer class that will print out the grid. The robot will be represented as an R and obstacles as X. Now, let's tie everything together in the main method, where we will initialize the grid, the robot, and visualize its state. In the main class, we create a grid and add some obstacles. We then initialize the robot's position and visualize its movement. Notice how our robot skips over the obstacles, but still navigates through valid paths. Now that we have a basic navigation system, let's add a simple algorithm for finding the shortest path using the Breadth First Search (BFS) algorithm. This algorithm is effective for navigating shortest paths through grids. We introduced a Pathfinder class that uses the BFS algorithm to navigate through the grid. It checks whether the target position is reachable and calculates the shortest path. Let's enhance our main class to use the Pathfinder and see how our robot can find its way. We utilized our Pathfinder class to find the shortest path to a specific target. This demonstrates how to utilize algorithms within robotics. You could later enhance this by making the robot follow the path back to the target instead of just calculating it. Now, let's talk about how you can improve this navigation system. Here are some ideas. 1. Implement a pathfinding algorithm for better efficiency and effectiveness. 2. Use sensor data to dynamically update the grid in real time. 3. Allow for multi-agent navigation where several robots can find their path simultaneously. 4. Add an interactive GUI to visualize the robot's movements and pathfinding algorithms. Now, as we wrap up, let me summarize what we've done today. We implemented a basic robot navigation system that allows a robot to navigate through a grid while avoiding obstacles. We also implemented a pathfinding algorithm to help the robot find the shortest path to its destination. Thank you for joining me in this Java robot navigation tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting programming projects. Happy coding!